Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best safe teething toy available for your little one, the 2-Packs Baby Teething Toy by ChooKaChoo. This thoughtfully designed product is ideal for babies aged 0 to 6 months and 6 to 12 months, and it does more than just soothe sore gums. It gives your baby a comforting, safe, and practical way to navigate the teething phase. Let's start with what makes this product such a standout. If your baby is teething but isn't quite able to hold on to toys yet, this teething mitten has you covered, literally. Instead of worrying about them dropping their teether every few minutes, these mittens wrap comfortably around their tiny hands. The design includes an inner grip bar to help them keep a natural hold, making it easier for your baby to get relief without needing constant repositioning from you. Plus, the adorable arms on the mitten mimic the feel of a nipple, which can be extra soothing during those fussy moments. Now, let's talk comfort. The textured surface on these teethers isn't just cute, it's functional. Soft silicone with little bumps and ridges massage the gums gently, offering just the right amount of pressure to relieve the discomfort of incoming teeth. Your baby will love the feel, and you'll love how long they stay entertained. It's also shaped to be super easy to grasp, so once your baby can hold items confidently, the mitten naturally transitions into a regular teether. Safety is always the top priority for baby products, and ChooKaChoo understands this. These teething mittens are made from 100% food-grade silicone and are completely BPA-free, ensuring there are no harmful materials in your baby's mouth. There are also no small parts, reducing choking hazards and making this an ideal solution for even the youngest teethers. The mittens are dishwasher safe, easy to wipe down, and even freezer safe for extra gum relief when cooled. But teething relief is only half the story. This product is also a perfect gift idea. It comes as a 2-pack, one green, one caramel, which means you can keep one at home and toss the other in the diaper bag. Whether you're shopping for your own baby or looking for a practical, adorable baby shower gift, these mittens deliver both function and peace of mind to new parents. So to sum it up, ChooKaChoo's silicone teething mitten is not just another baby toy. It's a well-crafted, parent-friendly teething solution designed to protect, comfort, and entertain. It's stylish, safe, and smartly engineered for the everyday reality of parenting a teething baby. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews just like this one. See you in the next video.